Roses are red, violets are black. Why your chest is flat like your back?
छोटे थोड़ा श्राप बन चार जन जब करेंगे तेरी बुराई तब समझ जाना कि तू बेटा मचा रहा है तब भाई ओ भाई दाई या भाई तुम काय
Unfriended. Have you seen that movie? No.
Last time you skip me. Why? Last time you skip me. Why?
I don't know.
I wanna talk to you.
What?
I wanna talk to you.
You're young.
No.
Your parents.
No, not my parents. I have no parents.
I'm sorry.
I want to talk to you.
कोई बात नहीं.
Right next to you. No.
Can we talk for 5 minutes?
Yeah. What's up? For what? For 5 minutes.
Okay. How old are you?
18 plus. How about you?
I'm also 18.
I said I'm 18 plus.
Okay. That's fine. I'm 18. You are also 18 plus. That's fine. Okay. So do you like pickup lines?
What?
Do you like pickup lines?
I don't know what that is.
You don't-
Oh wait, pick up plants?
Yeah, pickup lines.
Pick up line.
Yes, pickup lines.
Like the stuff we put on our food. Pick up lines. Oh. Pick up lines?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this okay, I'm going to say a pickup line for you, okay?
Okay.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Okay, like roses are red, violets are blue. I never seen beautiful girls like both of you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है. अरे सर क्या बात.
Say another one.
भाई लगता है आपके प्यार में गिर गई भाई.
I have many more. Roses are red, violets are blue. My lips is dying to just kiss you.
That one was better than the last one.
Okay.
हाँ लगता है ये हीरोइन आपके प्यार में गिर गई.
Hey, age. My age is 16.
झूठ बोलो.
17. Okay. Are you gay? Bisexual. Oh, nice. Can I see your dick?
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
Yes. Can I see your dick first? First, you show me your dick. No, that's a finger. That's a finger. You show me your first. Oh my god.
पागल है क्या भोसड़ी के.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो. कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर.
I'm sorry. I just found a gay guy.
Gay?
Yes,
I don't like
he
gay people.
literally saw his dick. He said, yeah, I'm a gay.
You're gay?
I'm not gay, but that guy was a gay. He literally saw his dick instantly.
Was it big?
ए रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
I don't know, but it's like white and penis.
Like Ethan.
I don't know, but it's like yeah. Can we talk? Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing. You're ugly as shit.
You are also.
Ew, you're
No,
blinding.
see like me. See yellow hair. The yellow hair.
Yeah?
The yellow hair. Yes. Yes. The yellow hair. The yellow hair. The cap.
Me?
Yes. You.
Oh yeah. What?
You said you love me.
What about it?
You said you love me.
No.
No,
Yeah, I love you.
Yes, the yellow
I
hair.
love you.
Yes, the yellow hair.
हाय हाय इतना सुकून.
I love you. I love your yellow hair.
Me too.
I love your yellow hair.
You too.
Like, what you want?
Boobs.
Boobs?
I don't know. Money. I want money. You don't have boobs.
I have.
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा.
You will never have boobs.
I have.
Oh.
How old are you?
Yes.
Maybe like 16 or 17?
I'm 9 years old.
What?
You doesn't look like 9.
Well, I am.
I fear about you. Like I'm literally I fear about you. You look dangerous.
I am.
You are. Like how many murder do you have done before?
Like 20.
You are a serial killer because I'm not joking, you literally look like very dangerous.
Thanks.
Thanks? You're saying thanks? I'm calling you a serial killer. And you're saying thanks, dude. And you want to kill me and eat me, okay? Yo.
Yo. What's up, bro? Yeah, PUBG.
PUBG. PUBG.
Hey, man, I'm sorry for everything I said, all right?
Okay.
I'm sorry. Best friends? We're good friends?
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, man. I love you.
Love you too.
Bro, damn your phone. Love you, guys.